Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Hazem Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your browser, go on the search bar and type Hazem Discord server. Press enter and just go on the first website, Hazem server. And as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. But if you can't join the server through the direct link, just go again on the browser, copy the link over here, go again on Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server, click on join a server, paste the link over here and just click on join server. And that's it, you're good to go. Confirm this. That's it, you're good to go. That's how you can join Hazem. Please donate Discord server. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.